There he is! I say we hang this back shooter!
Now, don't be so hasty. We don't know if we have the right man here or not.
This is Jack McCall, the scumbag who shot Wild Man!
How are you for it?
We're gonna lock him up till your head for now.
No! Who wants to see him hang?
Now look at what you've done. We're gonna have a trial for that man. Jack, what do you want on your tombstone?
Pepperoni!
Get him out of here. He'll swing for that, folks. We're doing a trial of Jack McCall down at the Eagle Bar Theater. It is the 101st year of production. We'll have a fair trial for that.